Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about, if you noticed, about on May the 19th I did a video on tomato suckers, cutting them from the plant and sticking them in soil to root them. Well, it's been exactly about 15 days since that was done. So this is going to be a small update, just a small update of how well they've done. Check out the roots on this thing. This thing is loaded with roots. This thing's ready to go in the ground. You can see the roots coming out of the cup. Now, if you want to get free tomato plants, this is the best way to do it. With suckers, it don't take very long. It's a lot quicker than trying to root them from a seed. I mean, grow them from a seed. Start them off and wait on the seed to grow. So this will give me many tomato plants and tomatoes coming out till late November here in Alabama. So yeah, we ought to get plenty of tomatoes from all these. This is only 3 of them that I've done like that. The first 3 suckers I got off the plant, that's all there were at the time. That's all there was. But now there's I done cut some more off, and I'm about to you see the roots on this and going up the side and coming out this one. So these 3 turned out really good. But I'm gonna say I've already got 4 more here to pot up to get some more tomato plants. Started with 1 and now got 1, 4. I'll have 8. If all of these 4 suckers take, I'll have 8. Alright, well, that's just a quick update on getting free tomato plants. Leave a comment below what you think, or a question. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching the video. Until next time.